Omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bwe yali atalaga ebitundu by'e Teso Lango ne Acholi, abantu b'omu bitundu bino bamusaba okubateerawo ensako basobole okuzzaawo ente zaabwe ze baafiirwa mu ntalo ezaaliyo. Nabwe kityo omwaka gw'ebyensimbi ogujja mwateekebwamu ensimbi obumbi 8 ezigenda okuweebwa amaka 160 mu bitundu by'e Teso Lango ne Acholi.
We were aware that we have 80 billion Uganda shillings that was provided to start the implementation of this program.
Ssaabaminisita Robinah Nabbanja olwaleero abadde aisinkanye ababaka ba palamenti okuva e Teso Lango ne Acholi okubasaba okukwasizaako wofiisi ye okulaba nga bafuna abantu abatuufu abagenda okuganyulwa mu nteekateeka eno.
We have convened this meeting to give you fresh updates and seek your support towards the successful implementation of the cattle restocking program.
Abamu ku babaka bwe batyo bamubuulidde ng'ebitundu ebimu bwe wali abakulembeze abatadde amannya g'ab'eŋŋanda zaabwe ku lukalala.
Cell called Tedam, where a lady called Adong Rose registered as disabled when she's not, and I provided all the details, NIN number, phone number, what she put, and again registered another member of our family as a formerly abducted youth, when the child is known not to have been abducted.
Gago district, the list were selected, beneficiaries were selected during campaigns. And I'm wondering why they have not been uploaded. And I think that they are trying to manipulate the what? The list.
I think the MPs who come from this region make sure we get back home quickly and make sure within this period we get the right, more people are registered.
Nabbanja asabye ababaka bano okukubakuba abakulembeze mu magombololo oluuyi olwo kola n'amaanyi okukasa nti enteekateeka y'okukola olukalala olwakolebwako ng'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi tegunnaba kuggwako.
Appeal to you, honorable colleagues and members, to encourage district political leaders, and including yourselves and the technical teams, to expedite the submission and uploading of verified beneficiary data to avoid further delays, as the first phase of the program should be completed by the end of this month. In fact, by 15th. If we don't complete this by 15th, that money will be returned to the consolidated fund, and getting it back usually is not easy.
Kyambadde Shadrack Jesha yakusakidde eggulu erino Kraka 8 amalindirire.